Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with a special offer for you guys out there. It's $25 off the new ClearLight 2.0 hoods in the Infinity, Performance, and Elite. If you just send us a picture of your welding helmet that you have currently, and we'll send you a promo code for $25 off for the Miller hoods, so the Infinity, the Elite, and the Performance hood. So if you guys have an older hood or a Miller hood and you're looking to upgrade, this is the time to do it because this special offer is only going to run for a limited time. And it's 25 bucks off, so it's actually it's a smoking deal. And that's the sale price that we have online too, so it's even more money off. But what my favorite thing about these hoods is, and I have multiple. I became like a hoarder of these hoods, but I got Elites, Infinities, I got Performances. I like all the decals. This one's a new one. It's called an Honor. It's pretty awesome. I really do like that. Probably gonna have to get one. But just to show you guys real quick, this is the biggest viewing range that Miller makes. So in the Infinity series, and it's fairly simple to pop all that ADF right out of there. It just comes out. You got two little toggles here. This is probably the trickiest part of the whole thing. It's trying not to drop the thing. I'm trying to get it out. It pops out of there, and then you can change the inner lens. But one of my favorite hoods on the market is this Infinity. When they came out, I bought one of the first ones, and it wasn't it's not a 2.0, it's an older green state shade. Nice hood, still got it. I don't weld with it anymore because I got a 2.0 now. But you can see that huge viewing range, two window, or the four sensors, solar backup, your battery port right there on the side, two batteries, so CR2450s, and then you can see too, they got the half shade now. So I mean, the upgrade to these 2.0s, if you're running an older hood, I mean, it's well worth it. You got half shades, we got delays, and then we got sensitivity. We got an arc time count, so how many times it flashed, so how much welding time it has, and also it has mode. So we're in weld mode. It has cut mode, grind mode, and then X mode. X mode is that series where it recognizes an electromagnetic pulse, auto darkens the hood. Very nice outside in the sun, because I don't know if you guys do a lot of welding outside, but it'll set off them sensors. So if you put it in X mode, it helps with that, and it's very nice. So just to put this back together now, one of my first original hoods was it was a Digital Infinity, but it was a titanium series. I don't know if everybody remembers that series, but it was a high heat. Very nice hood, still have it too. But I'm a big fan of some of these Miller hoods, and like I said, I got quite a few of them. There again, let me pop this all back together. Now, there's different graphics on everything. This one, like I said, is the Honor, and you just have the Elite, which is this is the black Elite, one of my favorite ones. Got a couple of them. External grind button on that Elite. Front shield pops out, and then you can get the ADF out of there. Easy to change that lens, but that's a nice headgear on all these helmets now. And then we have the Unity Performance. So this is for the first responders, all painted up. It's pretty awesome logo on that. There again, you pop that front out, change that lens. Upgraded headgear from the previous versions. So check out that special offer, 25 bucks off as long as you send us a picture of your current welding hood. And then we'll send you a promo code so you can purchase your new welding hood, the ClearLight 2.0, which is an awesome ADF. It's clear, they hold up. We haven't had too many issues with them as far as like warranty claims, and I know a lot of people say, well, how long do they last? Well, luckily Miller just updated the warranty, so it's 4 years now on all these hoods. So now you have a 4-year warranty on that ADF, and if you do have something go wrong, I promise you, they will replace it. I mean, we've had excellent success rate with that warranty system through Miller. No trouble with that. And then also check out our special offer for military and first responders. So all year we offer 10% off on hoods for those guys, and then check out our other special offers that we have for the military and first responders on Miller machines. So it's a collaboration with us and Miller, but it's a special offer that we have for all you guys in the military and first responders. And thanks for all your service, and thanks for watching all my videos. Stay tuned for some more. If you got any questions, comments, leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again.